Good afternoon, YouTube. Guess what? This ain't about scrapping, but we had an ice storm last night. There's about half an inch stuck to them stairs. I managed to break some with a metal shovel and salt. And this thing kind of took an odd shape. It became crispy. So yeah, now I got these. Sorry about that, I went and hit the button. I was just saying that I got these fancy things on my feet. They're anti-slip, but they kind of moved. See, they got prongs on them. That's supposed to keep me from breaking my neck. It'd be even better if they were on right. So now I have a crazy task. I was trying to get my truck to start since I changed the battery. I think the gas line froze, so I put a bottle of gas line antifreeze in it. And now I got all this ice to deal with, so I'm not too happy. And I lost my pair of gloves, so now I got these others I was keeping as spares. And it started snowing a few minutes ago, just to add to the fun. So I don't know where I'm going to set you down. I didn't bring a tripod. I just grabbed the camera. Oops, sorry if I'm messing up here. Let me put you on the roof. I hope you don't slide off because it's icy. I'm going to try and bang away at this. Don't worry, if this was a new truck, I'd never be doing what I'm doing now. See, I gotta redo the paint and some body work. Parts of ice are flying in my face. I should have worn safety glasses. Ah, it fell again. I hope I don't crack the windshield doing this. See how good this works. I really want to get this thing running before the real cold hits. Then I'll never get it started. You know, when it's minus 20 outside, that ain't the time to be working on something. Come on, open. Oh, damn. I'm going to need a crowbar or something now. The freezing rain got in and wet the gasket, so now it froze. Ah, damn. Frozen right along there, and that's right next to the windshield, so I don't dare bang on that. Alright, so follow me, guys. Or should I cut this off for a few minutes? Do you really want to see all this? Yeah, let's go for a little walk. Sorry about my hand there. I just realized I just got a branch in my head. Well, not in it, but you know what I mean. Now, I got a long screwdriver in my toolbox, so I hope that'll do. I'd hate to think I really need a crowbar. Or did I lock all this up? Can't remember. Let's unlock it. There we go. Now get the glove back on. right now it's just a few degrees below freezing. So it ain't very cold, but I've always been very fragile to the cold, especially since my diabetes kicked in. I get, I have low circulation in my extremities, which is the feet and hands, especially the toes and fingers. Speaking of toes, they started bleeding again this morning. So I'm not supposed to be doing all this walking. But, hey, if you want to get things done, you can't be sitting around on your ass, right? Alright, get back. Oops, sorry about making you crooked. I hope this is a good spot. And I hope my trick works. There, it did it. There's my glove. There, I knew they'd be here. Got him. I feel like that kid. Look, ma, no hands. Look, ma, no teeth. Alright, I need to pick you guys up so you don't fall off when I pop the hood. And I took my gloves off. I wish I would have pulled my wipers off the windshield. That's how they've been for the last few months. Let me set you down for a sec. Yeah, I've been pulling them up all the time, and because I was working on the truck, and I kept opening the hood, I never thought for a second, that I had to pull them back off. I thought I was going to come back out and finish the job, but then it just rained too much, and I said, the heck with it. Alright, now, my thing is still here charging, so I gotta move him in order to crank it, so nothing breaks and all hell breaks loose, so to speak. So, let's put him all the way again. Hey, what's going on? Did something happen? No, I'm not getting no power. Isn't that weird? Maybe I popped the fuse with that ice storm. Alright, let me... I hope not. And I hope this thing ain't fused together. Nope, nothing's going on. That means we're gonna play with this now. Alright, I'm back after a little break. I went in the shed here to get I don't know if you can see it, a bottle of Gasline antifreeze. Because even though I put one in yesterday, I figured, hey, another one. Oh, and look, I put this over my lock, so I didn't have to crack it with, to break all the ice. So, if you got a problem with your lock getting ice, that's a good trick right there. Alright, hang on. I need to put my gloves back on because I'm such a wimp. My dog over there wants me to throw him his bone again. Come on, give me the ball. Come on. Hey, come here. Come on. Come here. Yeah, that's where. Right there. Thank you. Oops. I hope I didn't mess up the recording. Oh no, because I hit a button. I felt it. Alright, dog. Here we go. No. He was looking the other way because I usually throw it further. So he missed that one again. Now, let's see if I can make it over there without breaking my neck. You can hear the ice crunching. kind of froze the grass. See, like right here, it's all crispy, like shredded wheat, you know? Oh, darn. See, the reason I want to get this thing working so bad is because it's my backup. If something happens to my van, I'm kind of screwed. Open. Sorry if I'm making you stare at the side of the truck here. I could hear it going down. There. That's it. I guess I'm going to have some editing to do so you guys don't keep staring at stupid stuff. Alright. Let's try that again. So I made the mistake, I left this thing in the truck overnight, and when they get cold they don't spray so good. They kind of fan out instead of blowing direct, and see all them drops coming out? Damn. I have to bring that in the house to warm it up. It might not start today. I wish it did, but it might not. Now, let's cross our fingers. Ah! My foot got stuck. So I don't want to overdo it because I realized what was going wrong with my charger. I thought maybe I popped the breaker or something, but no, there's no electricity. We lost power and I didn't realize it. So I kept wondering, what the heck, what's going on here? Well, now I know. We got no power. So I think I'm just going to go inside and let my can of Quick Start, you know, thaw out a little so that I could spray more evenly. And obviously I have no internet with no power, so I can't even upload this video because my internet needs power, and I ain't gonna dig out my generator just for that. But I do have a battery on that laptop, so I'll be able to at least edit the video. And then when the power comes back later, then I'll upload everything on the Wi-Fi. As I could always, you know, transfer it back into my phone and upload it on my data, but I don't want to do that. You know, because I'm sharing my data with my stepdaughter. I mean, I ain't her dad, or I'm not even my ex's significant other, but I love those kids like they were mine, so as far as I'm concerned, she's a daughter to me. Alright, enough of my rambling on and making you guys dizzy. Sorry about that. So, time to end this. I hope you enjoy all this snow coming down. I don't know if you could see it actually. Alright, so remember to subscribe and like and all that good stuff, and tell all your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.